number 18. Before we try any of this, let's just figure out all the dimensions that are missing. Let's start with this triangle, which is a 90, 45, 45. So this green right triangle is a special right triangle, the 45, 45, 90. And so if we know the longest side, the hypotenuse, to get to a leg, we divide by root 2. So 3 root 2 divided by root 2 is 3. So this side length is 3, and this height is also 3. Okay, now it's time to take a look over at this triangle. This is also a right triangle with a 60-degree angle, so this will be a 30-degree angle. So we have a special 30, 60, 90 triangle here on the right. And which side do we know? We know that this side is 3. And that's the shortest side, opposite the smallest angle. So if the shortest side is 3, we know that the hypotenuse is the shortest side times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And the longer leg is the short leg times root 3. So 3 times root 3 is the long leg of this triangle. Now we can answer the questions, what's the area and what's the perimeter of this triangle? So the area is 1/2 times the base times the height. And the base of this triangle, we're talking about this entire green triangle. The base is the distance from here all the way over to here, which is 3 plus 3 root 3. And the height of this triangle is, if this is the base, what's the perpendicular distance to the top of the mountain? That's 3. All right, I'm going to change the order around a little bit. The 1/2 times the 3 times the 3 plus 3 root 3. And 1/2 times 3 is 3/2. Don't combine these, they're not like terms. So we'll multiply 3/2 times the group using the distributive property. 3/2 times 3 plus 3/2 times 3 root 3. So 3/2 times 3, remember, you just multiply straight across. Multiplying fractions ain't no problem. Top times top, bottom times bottom. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9 on top, and 2 times 1 is 2 on the bottom. And over here we have the same thing. Top times top, and 3 times 3 root 3 is 9 root 3. And at the bottom we have 2 times 1. And this is our final answer, which we're welcome to write as 4.5 plus 4.5 root 3. But I actually like this better. Alright, now for the perimeter. The perimeter is the distance all the way around. So the perimeter is, how far is it from here to here to here to there? That's the perimeter. And you can see it's going to be this distance plus the whole bottom side distance plus that distance. So the perimeter is that 3 root 2, this one, plus 3 and 3 root 3 plus 6. So we've got some like terms that we can combine. That's a positive 3 and a positive 6. 3 and 6 is 9. And then 3 root 2 and 3 root 3 are not like terms. That's our area. I'm sorry, did I say area? That's our perimeter. The sum of the lengths of all the sides which gives us the distance around the outside perimeter. That's it. We could put these things into our calculator, but these are the exact answers. 9 halves plus 9 root 3 halves is the area in square units, and the perimeter is 9 plus 3 root 2 plus 3 root 3 units.